how to buy KEKIUS Maximus token on Uniswap version 2. Now, to be able to do that, before go and open this token in Coin, just go and click on markets from here. Now after that, go and find the Uniswap version 2 and click on here. Now it will be redirect you to Uniswap version 2 website, and as you can see, I will just disconnect my wallet. Now from here, just click on connect and select your wallet, for example, Bybit wallet. And now as you can see, just connect your Bybit wallet. So I will just connect it again. Just connect it, as you can see, confirm. And as you can see, our wallet is confirmed. Now from here, just select your token that you want to buy with. For example, I select the Tether USDT. Now I enter how much I want to buy, and this is how much you receive. Because I don't have any USDT on my Bybit wallet, I can see here the buy option. Now for you, just go and fill your Bybit wallet with USDT to be able to buy this token here. So this is how to buy the KEKIUS Maximus token on the Uniswap version 2. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.